How to sync contacts with WhatsApps. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to WhatsApp app. It works on iPhone, Android or Samsung. The process was almost same. So for that we will simply boot WhatsApp app. For example, here is WhatsApp Business. So I want to sync my contact with WhatsApp Business. So simply hold on that app. Now here you guys will see I-type icon. In some devices you guys will see 3 dots. But here it shows icon, so simply click here. Once you click here, you guys will see manage notifications, permission, better use it, so simply click on permission. Once you click on permission here, you guys will see allowed. So in allowed, like we are allowed camera or microphone. But when you guys can see not allowed, in not allowed you guys will see cause logs context. So simply click on context. Here you guys will see don't allow, so simply click on allow. Once you click on allow, your contacts will be synced with WhatsApp. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.